public. It makes me feel really sad.
It definitely caught my eye. I am a bacon eater.
It's not just necessarily a pretty idea or something that's easy to talk about, but it does need to be brought to life.
As much as I'm not a vegetarian or anything, this isn't, a terribly gruesome thing, but it does, evoke that sadness about it. There is a sadness about the way we treat animals.
I don't like looking at it. It's not nice to look at. It's hard to imagine what they're going through.
It is a graphic picture to see, an animal actually trapped in in a trap, he's ready to die.
Around somebody's neck. It's just horrible,
Yeah, I'm a dog owner, so I do have a little bit of a feeling against fur, but I also have a fur brim jacket, so.
I know they did that back then when they didn't know how to make synthetic fur, except I didn't really know that they still do that today. It's really true when you think about it. It's a glamorous fur coat to one lady, and to another animal, it's a death sentence. They die.
Very effective. It is very effective. I think we forget sometimes how sensitive animals are, and it is a reminder to see them that way. Obviously, I was not a happy monkey. Just because it's being done doesn't mean it's okay.
Horrible. It affects you, right? Hurting little animals for makeup to look beautiful.
I think that's terrible and extremely morbid for them to still continuing to test on animals.
I don't understand.
I just think it's a terrible thing.
I don't get how testing on an animal even affects the way it would be on a person, to be honest.
I think the message is important, and I would look up animalcharter.ca just for further context.